Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone voicemail not working issue on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if the iPhone voicemail is not working on your device after iOS 27 update, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically fixing an iPhone voicemail issues usually involves refreshing your cellular connection or resetting your network settings. So guys, if you want to refresh your cellular settings or connection, you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and then go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply turn on the flight mode for 30 seconds to refresh your cellular connection, and after this you have to simply turn off the airplane mode on your device as well. So guys, simply turn on flight mode or airplane mode for 30 seconds, and after this turn it off, and after this hopefully your problem will also be fixed. So guys, in this way you can also fix iPhone voicemail not working issue on your iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.